Your second option in this paper assignment is an analysis of an essay. You choose one of the essays we've read so far this semester, or another This I Believe essay, and I'll give you the website for that. Or if you find another short piece that you want to write about, just be sure to have me approve it ahead of time and you'll be set. So here are some examples. You may set up the paper to show you want to analyze Be Cool to the Pizza Dude by Sarah Adams. You'll state your main point that Be Cool to the Pizza Dude is not only about being nice to pizza delivery guys, but to be kind to everyone. You'd explain some of the different points that Sarah Adams makes and why you think her message is so important. Organization. I'd suggest an introduction that hints at the issue of the essay. So for our example above, you might talk about customer service or treating people a certain way. You'll introduce the essay and the author in the introduction. The body paragraphs will be where you use examples or quotes from the essay to back up your points. And in the conclusion, you might suggest your reader do something in a certain way after reading the paper, like treat people a certain way, or you might suggest they read the essay. But you want the reader to be active once they've read your paper. Here, a couple notes. You'll want to cite at least one sentence or phrase from the essay. I've got some examples on the paper assignment that shows you how to introduce the quote and use a quote. Also, in academic writing, the first time we use an author's name, we use the whole name. And then after that, we use the last name. So we usually don't just use the first name as if we know the person in real life or in our personal lives. We have it a little bit more formal, and you just say, well, the author's name is Sarah Adams for that essay we've been talking about. So you'd say, according to Adams, blah, blah, blah. So that is the analysis.